Welcome to the next part of the video. In this video I will be discussing the next remaining of the string functions. It might take 2 to 3 videos more for me to produce all the remaining functions of string, so please stay with me. In this video I will be discussing about a new function called ends with. Now this ends with function is a predefined function of the string class, and it actually checks whether the string is ending with a particular string character. For example, if I print out and I just say is hello ending with O. If it is, then do print true, otherwise it will print false. So I just go over here, compile it, run it. As you can see, it does print as true. So if I had said is it ending with P, save it, go over here, compile it, run it. As you can see, it says false. So that was the ends with function. The next function is equals. Equals equals object and equals ignore case, which takes a string. So don't really worry about that the first function actually takes an object. Well, the object over here is the object class, and the string class extends the object class. So if we are passing the string object to equals, it is actually passing the object class object. So just remember that we can pass string to the equals function, and it can be used to check whether two strings are equal or not. So if I just say system.out.println, I want to check is mobile equals mobile. Just make it small m. Okay, now unlike compare to function, which I have discussed in the previous video, the equals function actually returns a boolean variable value, so it may be true or false, not 0 or 1 or -1. So if I go over here, I compile it, I run it, as you can see it says false. Now what if I had written equals ignore case? Then for this reason it will ignore the case for this string and the case for this string, and just check the characters at each index location of the string. Now if I just ignore the case, then let's see what do we get. Compile it, run it. As you can see, it prints us true over here. So that is why on ignoring the case we are actually getting true, because the capital M is being converted to the small m is being converted to the capital M and then checked. So just ignoring the case. So this was the two more functions. The next function is very interesting function. It's called get bytes. Now this get bytes function will return back a byte array. So for example, I have a byte array. Now byte array, suppose byte array is the name of the variable byte array, and I have not actually created a memory in the heap for this byte array. So if I just say string s1 equals to, say, hey there, right? Now I want to convert this string into the respective integer values, the byte values, and store them in byte array. What can I do? I can say byte array equals to string1 dot get bytes. So it will actually convert the string hey there exclamation mark into the respective ASCII characters. For H it will be 72, for small e it will be 101, and like this it will store all these byte values in the byte array. So if I just print it out using a for loop, I less than byte array dot length I plus plus, and just try to print out the byte array location, say I over here. Now this should give us all the characters for each and every position. Now I can do one more thing. If I just remove the print ln, just type in print, it should give us the arrays. Now what is the error? It is saying, oh, I made two parentheses over here. Compile it, run it. As you can see, it first for the H it is 72, for E it is 101, for Y it is 121, and for space, this is a space character, it is 32, for T it is 84, for H it is 104, for E it is again 101, and for R it is 114, for E it is again 101, and for exclamation mark it is 33. So like this we can encrypt a complete string like this, so that the user cannot understand what we are saying. So this was the get bytes function of the string. We can convert a string into a respective byte array. So this was, I think this was enough for this tutorial, and in the next video I will discuss more string functions, string methods. So stay tuned in this channel and keep practicing, and I hope you have understood this video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.